Over 1 million Filipino voters shaded more candidates than needed, making their votes invalid. Here's the report.
Over 17 million votes in Bilang Pilipino 2025 were invalidated due to overvoting. That came from 1.3 million Filipinos who voted more than 12 senators, while less than 1 million voters shaded more than one party list. Despite this, COMELEC Chairman George Garcia maintained that this is not unusual.
Tingnan niyo po, bakit po hindi naging malaking issue noong 2022? Eh noong 2022 po ang ating pong overvoting was almost 900,000 din. Ibig sabihin po, may overvoting sa lahat po ng eleksyon, lagi hindi po natin kayang pigilan. Kung ang mga kababayan natin ay minsan po kasi over-enthusiastic na-shade na, nagbago isip, inaglagay ng X kasi po nagbago isip, pero yung nga po touch move po kasi.
Recall that some Duterte-backed candidates who lost in the polls were calling for a recount due to overvoting. Garcia said they could use this as a ground for electoral protest.
Para makita talaga kung yan ba'y smudge o talaga bang nagtuldok lang o talaga bang medyo nalagyan ng X kasi hindi po isinid. So diyan po mabibilang. Kasi po sa protesta, binibilang talaga manually ang lahat ng balota at nagke-claim ka na itong balotang ito dapat amin, hindi dapat binaliwala.
According to the poll body, election provider Miru delivered its promises, but they will still conduct assessments to improve their tools.
Sa susunod na eleksyon, magkakaroon naman tayo ng bagong TOR. Alamin natin ano bang dapat, ano bang karagdagan, o baka talagang dapat makapal na papel na, dapat ganitong klaseng ballpen, dapat ganitong klaseng scanner, dapat yung bilis mas doble pa.